In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do a bicycle kick in FC24 PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you all instructions so you can maximize your chances of performing a bicycle kick in EAFC24 on the PlayStation 5. So, pulling it off requires a bit of finesse, but it is achievable. So first, here's how to set up yourself for success. So, for the player requirements, look for the acrobatic playstyle. Not all players are able to get the bicycle kick with such ease. If you look for players with the acrobatic playstyle trait in their stats menu, you will have a higher chance of getting a bicycle kick. So look for players with the acrobatic playstyle. So for the actual button combinations, all that you have to do is first, hold down the left trigger, also known as L2. This is going to trigger the acrobatic move animation. Once you are holding down L2, press circle. This is going to initiate the shot, and for a crucial detail, make sure that you are facing away from the goal. The key ingredient for a bicycle kick is your player's position. They need to be facing away from the goal with the ball in the air, and this will force them to attempt the bicycle kick. So to summarize, hold down L2, also known as the left trigger, press circle while facing away from the goal, and your character has a chance of performing the bicycle kick. So for you to maximize your chances, bicycle kicks are best attempted when receiving a lofted cross into the penalty area. Position yourself well to meet the ball at its peak for maximum impact, and the timing of your button press, circle, is crucial, so aim to press it just as your player makes contact with the ball. I hope I was able to help you on how to do a bicycle kick in FC24 PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.